welcome back. My Lovelula box is here. I do absolutely adore this box, I really do. But before we dive into this, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Please consider hitting the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, put the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. And I've had a haircut. I did just unbox my Beauty Bay haul, but I'm not sure if you've seen it yet. But if you haven't and this one goes up first, I've had a haircut. Lovelula. I absolutely love this. Lovelula is a natural beauty website. They sell a wide range of products from various different brands. They do hair care, skincare, makeup, there's tools, there's a bit of everything on there. It's all natural, it's organic, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's fair trade. Absolutely love it. And if you're looking into getting into natural beauty, Lovelula is a good place to go. As part of their service, they do a monthly beauty subscription box, which is just cool. I will put the details down below on how much I pay, because we're just going to dive into this box and see what we've got. They give you a card every month. These are really nice. They used to be white and pink, but now they've started to put sort of like little sort of scenes on them. So this one is obviously from a field. It looks really nice. I'm not sure if that's corn or it looks like it could be pampas grasses. Really, really cool. You get 20% off every brand from the box for a month. So you do have a date on there and you've got a code. And then on the back it gives you sort of, you know, a brief description of what's in the box. And they valued this month's box at £71, which is really cool. I think I pay £14 or £15 for this box. So I think that's really good going. Here's a cheeky sneaky peek. I'm really, really excited for this one. I think I can see a makeup item in there and they don't often put them in. So that is really cool. Now the first item I can see here is from the brand Ooh, or is it O? Could be Ooh. I've received one of these recently, so I'm a bit disappointed with this one, but I did give it to a friend, so I will try this. This is the Natural Blackcurrant Face Oil. I'm going to have to swatch this because I just want to see if it does smell like black currants, or I just give it a sniff. Oils tend to go everywhere. Can't really smell blackcurrant. It just smells kind of like oily, which is strange. I have combo skin that does lean oily, but my skin does need oil every now and again, so I tend to use it a couple of times a week. I will just go through my sort of night skincare routine, let my moisturiser sink in for a little while, and then I will just go over the top with just a couple of drops of oil, warm it up in the palms of my hands, and then press it into my skin, and my skin really does like it. It's a bit strange, I know, because you would kind of think that if you've got skin that does lean oily, why do you want to put oils on there? But it actually does need oil. So I'm interested to use it. Just a bit disappointed because we have recently had something from that brand before. Oh my goodness, I'm not going to be able to say this. This is from the brand Terre Verdi. This is new to me, and it is a balancing mist. It's 100% organic and 100% natural, and I think this is a toner. This is a really nice weighty glass bottle. This is really, really nice. I know I say nice a lot, but oh, that smells stunning. That's a really natural light fragrance. Yeah, I can smell aniseed in that. I can really, yeah, let's read up on that one, because I can really smell aniseed. It says it's Terre Verdi, it's a balancing mist. It says mix with oil to use as a cleanser, which is cool, or as a refreshing skin toner after cleansing. It removes any residual makeup while rebalancing the skin's pH levels, leaving it ready to be moisturised. Contains skin calming, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So that's really, really nice, and I probably will use it as a toner. I don't use oils as cleansers, but I will definitely use that as a toner, and I will let you know how I get on with that. I was going to do sort of an updated skincare routine with you, my day and night, just because I'm using so many different products. It's been 6 months since I've done my last one. So if you wanted to see it, just drop me a comment down below and I'll do that for you. Yeah, I'm really interested in that. I could throw that in with routine as well, sort of like first impressions. The third item is the Warming Relaxin. It just says it's Butterwhips, Bergamont and lavender with vitamin E. You've got 75 grams in here. It's 97% organic body butter, 100% botanical, and it's cruelty free. That looks absolutely cool. This is a really nice tin. It's like 75 grams, yeah, I've just said that. Look at that. Looks like icing, like someone's just squirted some icing in there. I'm really interested to see if this really does smell like lavender. I love lavender. I've gone nuts. I like using it at night. It sort of really does help calm and sort of soothe me and help me go to sleep. Yeah, that's lavender. It's a very natural lavender scent. That does smell like real lavender. This is like a butter. There's there's a lot of oils in here, which is good for the skin. I will use this at night time because it is really, really oily. But yeah, I love the smell of that. That's really nice and natural, and because it's oily, a little is going to go a long way. You're going to get a lot of use out of this, and that's one of the things I love about Lovelula, is a lot of the products they put in are full sizes. When they send you a day moisturiser, they will send you a bottle with 100 ml in it. It will just last you so long, and I do like that. They don't skimp on the sizes of products. Like the oil, that is going to last you forever because you only need a couple of drops, which is cool. And the last item is from the brand Inika, and it's the certified organic lip and cheek cream, and it's in the shade Morning. Now, the last Inika product I got from my Lovelula box I fell in love with. It was the mascara. Absolutely gorgeous, and I need to repurchase it. So I'm really intrigued as to what this looks like. It's a lovely glass little sort of pot, and you've got a metal lid, which is really nice. It feels a bit dry, but that's okay. It might just be one of those products that needs warming up on the back of your hand. That's kind of like what it looks like. It's a really nice light pink, which is nice. Got it on my finger. I think this is going to be a glowy one. Yeah, that's kind of come off as kind of like a light pinky peachy colour. I wondered how long it'd be before I sort of tripped over. But I really like that. And yeah, like I said, I would warm it up on the back of my hand. I'd go in with my blender and then blend it up. I always apply my cheek colours further up my cheeks and blend it up sort of towards my hairline. It just lifts my face and makes me look a bit younger. It's like kind of giving myself a facelift. It's kind of how I do my bronzer as well, and just bring everything up. That's going to have to go in my makeup drawer next month too. I'm really looking forward to trying that. Over 3 subscription boxes this month, I've got 4 blushes. Now, because I'm an absolute blush fiend, I am really not mad at it at all. That's a lot of blush. I've got a feeling sort of towards the end of December into the new year, I'm going to have a big declutter series because my drawers are just at the moment absolutely jam-packed, and I will need a bit of a clear out, but that's sort of, you know, 4 or 5 months down the line yet. What can I accumulate in the meantime? Yeah, so there's my Lovelula box. I'm really pleased, really. Apart from the oil is a little bit disappointing, but like I said, I did give my other one to a friend, so I don't have it anymore, and I didn't try it, so, you know, I'm going to give this one a go, and that is just going to last forever. Absolute ton of body butter in here, nice and oily. It's going to be very hydrating and moisturising, and a little is going to go a long way, so I'm really looking forward to that. I'm intrigued with sort of like the toner kind of like cleansing mist that you can mix with the oils. I will use this as a toner, and like I said, if you wanted to see this sort of working and how it does and what the effects are on the skin, just let me know down below and I will just pop it in my updated kind of skincare routine. And I just love blush. So I am really looking forward to trying this. This is going in my everyday makeup drawer next month, and I'll record that for you sort of at the end of the month. There's going to be a lot of blush going in there. So let me know what you thought in the comments below of this box, and if you get Lovelula, what you kind of thought of yours as well. And because this arrived last week, so I'm uploading it a bit later, so you might have had time to play with your products a bit. So yeah, let me know what you think of them. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.